What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a product installation and review. Today we're going to be doing it on the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack wide body pedal commander for our Dodge Challenger. We're going to go ahead and do an installation and review video. You know, all the cars nowadays are the drive-by-wire, so there's a slight hesitation in the throttle response. So basically what this does is it goes ahead and eliminates that. So we're gonna go ahead and show you step-by-step to install it, take it on a few runs to get a feel for the throttle and show you the difference between stock and with pedal commander. So here we go. Pop this open. Of course, when you order them, they all are vehicle specific. This of course is for the Dodge Challenger. I know it a couple different makes for Dodge and Ram, but what you get in the box: pedal commander, you know, attached with the wiring harness that plugs into the current throttle harness, like a wipe, yep, dashboard wipe, an installation pad, a little sticky pad, Velcro, little Velcro pad, and a couple wire ties. As far as installing, it's very simple, very straightforward. First of all, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and park the car. Don't put any power to it. Go ahead, let it sit for about 5, maybe 10 minutes, just that way you know that there's not power on anything. You know, especially with power to the ECU and everything, you definitely don't want to be throwing any codes or anything unplugging the throttle. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is let it sit, and then we go ahead and start installing it. Now what you're gonna want to do is right down here by the throttle pedal, you're gonna go ahead and remove this cover, this little kick panel. It just makes it a lot easier to access the connector for the throttle. I believe there are push pins here, there, and we're gonna go ahead and drop that out and show you what it looks like. Once you've popped down the 2 clips, what you can go ahead and do is pull this out of the way. But you have to remember, you do have a footwell light. So you're gonna go ahead and unplug this. That way you can remove this panel in its entirety to have it out of the way. So now what you can see is right here is your throttle. And the connector that you're gonna be putting the new harness on is right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that together. All right, so now that you have everything out of the box, the unit itself with the connectors, what you're gonna wanna do is, the nice thing is it comes with this little mounting bracket. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is pop this off. And we'll go ahead and mount the Velcro on the back of that, and we'll find a good space inside the car so we can mount this up. The nice thing about this unit is it is Bluetooth compatible, so you can download the app, the Pedal Commander app, and you can control all the settings with your phone. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna mount this under the dash so we don't have to actually select on the unit itself. We can just go ahead and select it in our phone. You can mount it wherever you'd like. If you want this to be somewhere where you can get to it to be able to switch on the fly, or like I said, hide it and use the Bluetooth compatibility to go ahead and set everything up. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this up and show you where we're gonna mount it in the car. And all right, so now that you're up underneath the car, you can see the connector that you have to unplug on the throttle pedal. What we're gonna go ahead and do is, like we said, since this is a Bluetooth unit, we're gonna go ahead and mount the actual controller up under the dash. So with the bracket that they gave you, install the Velcro. We're gonna go ahead and do is mount it up on here, back up out of the way, and we'll run our cables up, and we'll go ahead and zip tie them out of the way. But this is a good mounting point. It's up out of the way. Once you have the kick panel back on, everything's protected. You won't kick it with your foot. It won't fall down. So go ahead and mount that up and show you how it all plugs up. So there we went ahead and cleaned this panel off went ahead and mounted the bracket. So next we're going to go ahead and unplug this connector and throw in the unit itself. Removing the factory connector, it's simple. There's a small tab on the side. Go ahead and push it in, pull it out. The unit itself, it has a male and female. What you're going to want to go ahead and do, take the male, plug it in to the pedal. Make sure it clips in. Okay, and now lock it down. And now the factory harness plugs into the other side, right there. You're gonna go ahead and connect these two, and then we'll mount the actual unit itself. Show you how it all sits in there. Now that you have this connected, you have the new harness plugging into the pedal, and then the lead coming off the factory harness. All right, so now you can see the unit is mounted up. We went ahead and zip tied the wires up out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall the kick panel and show you that it's all covered up and safe, out of the way, no obstructions. All right, now you can see that the kick panel has been reinstalled and the unit itself is mounted above it. No obstructions. Part is all done. Again, everything's all hidden. Can't see anything. It's up underneath. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab a phone. That way, pull up the app, show you exactly how it works, different settings, different functions, and take it for a ride. One last thing, after you have it all plugged in, you started the car back up. If you're gonna use the Bluetooth compatibility, on the back side, it's a serial number. That's what you'll need to enter in when you open the Bluetooth app to connect the Bluetooth app to the controller itself. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Go ahead and pull your phone up, download the app, connections, add, and then the code. Again, the code is on the back side of the unit. So we'll go ahead and enter our code, 195410. Continue. It's connecting. You can name it whatever you want. We'll go ahead and just name it Challenger. Save. It's gonna go ahead and connect. Continue. All right, now it's connected. You can go through all the different functions. Turning it on, turning it off. Change it to city, sport, sport plus. Turn off sport plus, put it back in sport. All the different functions, we're gonna go ahead and go through them all and show you what they all do. Now what we went ahead and did is just to get an idea of the change. Here's Sport Plus maxed out. There's really no hesitation whatsoever now. And again, it's very simple to make changes. Turn it off, go back to stock. Simple. See the lag there opposed to when you put it in sport. Just gonna go ahead and change. All the lag is now gone. Video, this is set on stock. Still has the slight hesitation. We're going to go ahead and set it higher to show you the difference. Just to give you an idea. I'm going to let it out slow, nice and easy. But the response, much more throttle right off the bat. Very quick, very responsive. Again, this is maxed out. There's zero hesitation now. Okay. So to conclude the video, Very, very simple, easy installation. Right off the bat, you know it's a drastic change in the throttle response. It's right there. The nice thing is it has multiple different modes. You can change the settings, increase, decrease, find that perfect medium that you want to be at to everyday drive or to take it to the track or, you know, help with your 60 foots. It's definitely a must with a drive-by-wire system. Again, very happy with it. Yep, that's our take on the pedal commander for the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack wide body. Check you guys on the next video.